When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world's...
There it is. Pretzel, bacon, cheeseburger.
Thank you for choosing Wendy's. Can I take the order?
Can I get a pretzel, bacon, cheeseburger?
Single, double, or triple on that?
Can I get a double? I'm excited about this. I've been seeing so many damn commercials for this damn thing. It taunts me in my sleep. Thank you.
I love your ways every day. Ooh, baby, and night and day. Here we go. Oh, my goodness. Look at that pretzel bun. Look at that cheese. Look at that bacon. Look at that.
That was definitely excessive to get the double. It's my past coming back to haunt me. So far, I can already tell this bun's a little soggy. I thought it was going to be a little bit more crisp. I'm going to give this a quick bite. I have to unhinge my jaw. This is actually a pretty good burger. It's like spinach. You trying to be classy? You trying to front? You're Wendy's. Don't try to outclass me. I sing opera. I lift weights. But the bacon tastes good. The bacon's actually pretty crisp. The meat tastes so good. I forgot how good the Wendy's burger meat tastes.
If ever I would leave you, pretzel burger, it wouldn't be in Lawrence.
I got a large fry.
Mistake!
I already had pancakes this morning. I'm been real full. A lot of burger. Trying not to get past that sick bite. You know what I mean. I gotta pick up Ugo Vera here in about 10 minutes. He's gonna smell the fast food. He's gonna judge me. I've eaten more carbs today than you have in the past year, Ugo. Do I recommend this? Yeah, I do. Not every day, though. That's excessive. This is good. I think this is pretty good. I'm starting to like it more and more every time I eat it. Fast food review! Kasey, Yeargain.
Adio!
These fries, though? I will not waste good, cheap meal carbs on poorly made French fries.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie.